For those of you who don't know, I am Mariah. Welcome. And today we are doing what a lot of people do, and that is kind of going over what we have in our install bag. Just kind of the must-haves on all installs, no matter what. Always great backups to have. So these are always in our bag. So we will go through that now. Got a duffel bag here. Number one thing you're gonna want to always have on you is some sort of little portable electric pump. This one is just off of Amazon. It is not expensive. It comes with two little nozzles, which is great. You can hide the cord in the side. So this is a great little compact one to carry with you, but always bring a pump with you because you never know if you're gonna need to blow up more balloons. All right, so that is number one. Number two, rubber bands. Rubber bands are just kind of handy for a bunch of different reasons, but if for whatever reason you're having issues attaching your garland, you can use rubber bands. You can also use rubber bands to attach your 5-inch clusters, things like that. So just always have a bag of rubber bands with me, you never know. Then we have two types of line here. I have just a clear fishing line and then a more of a tie line. So this is nylon, it's braided, it's for like big game fishing, so it's a little bit stronger as far as the clear fishing line. So I always have both of those just in case. And then I have painter's tape. This is good for if for some reason your command hooks are not sticking to a wall for some reason, or if you're worried about damaging a wall, you can use this painter's tape. That is one thing I will say right now that I know I don't have in here, but should always have in here, but I'm out of them right now, which is some command hooks. So there are two different types of hooks that I use, so I will go ahead and just like put some pictures of what those kind of look like. You can find them on Amazon, Target, all that good stuff. So definitely always have command hooks with you. I always have some zip ties. Those are always great to have. I have some just kind of like little worker gloves. You're always gonna want a pair of scissors. That always comes in handy, you never know. I have my little lint roller, so when you are done with your install, you can get any pesky little hairs or fuzzies off of your balloons. And then we have glue dots. Glue dots come in handy for many different reasons, as you all probably know if you've ever used glue dots. And then I have a bag of 260s in here, which are always handy for lots of different reasons. And then I always have whatever balloons that I'm using for that install, whatever colors, I bring all of my extras of those because you never know if you're gonna need more or if some pop, things like that. And I believe that is everything in here. Again, the only thing that I don't have at the moment, but always have in my bag, are the command hooks. So I will go ahead and link those as well. But yeah, that is the must-haves in my install bag. Take them to every install, always have them on me. Doesn't mean I always use them, but just in case you need them, you have them. All right, so if you guys have any questions or are wondering about where I got anything, please let us know and we will be happy to cover that. All right, thank you guys again. See you guys next time.